Hey besties. Good. Well, it's afternoon for me, but I know everybody have different time zone. Let me make sure you guys can hear me coming up good strong Wi-Fi. I'm in Jamaica, guys. I am home. I am home in my beautiful country, and I'm so excited to share this news with you guys today because I'm not going to understand how excited I am for this trip that I'm about to announce to you guys. So first of all, I lost my voice because I'm in Jamaica. I'm in the rain. Told me excited. I did a play in the rain yesterday. Also, I had a performance in Montego Bay. Actually, Negril. I had a performance for the Grand Palladium staff. When I tell you, say, the performance, it was so much fun for me. I get to see a lot of my besties, especially in blue here. Them come out real strong and real good. So big up the entire Grand Palladium staff, especially being here at the hotel. I feel like the managers and the supervisors, they need to double up them pay because the staff here at Grand Palladium, they are so welcoming. They do them job well. They make you feel at home. Everything is just so perfect. I will have to big up with Jamaican people then when them take them job seriously. You can come at Grand Palladium and you just feel the energy and the vibe. The people are just so warm and welcoming. Alright, so I'm actually still at the Grand Palladium Hotel. I'm going to show you around a little bit. But I really wanted to talk about my trip that I'm planning to Jamaica 2025. You all are invited. It's going to be limited because obviously, we know a lot of people want to come. The trip is called the Bestie Weekend. It's 3 nights, 3 unforgettable nights with Spice. You get to spend the weekend with me at an all-inclusive hotel resort here in Jamaica. You come in on Friday, you spend Friday with me, Saturday with me, Sunday with me, and then you leave on Monday. The trip is called Bestie Weekend because you have to bring your bestie with you because the room in accommodation sleeps 2 persons. So that bestie can be your bestie best friend, very casual, or it can be a man, your boo, whatever you want, whoever you want to take on this trip. It's next year, 2025, and it's August 1st to August 4th. So save the dates. It's available on my website at spiceofficial.com. We have different packages. If you want to make a deposit, you don't have to pay the full fee. When you go over to my website, the whole information is there. But I'm so excited for this weekend because you know I'm not sleep. So I have to sleep before I come because it's going to be fun and excitement. We are going to so many places. Let's talk about it at first, okay? So when you come in on August the 1st, 2025, we're going to do obviously a welcome party. You're going to get your welcome packages. And then we're going to go to Best Weekend Soca Party in Ocho Rios. If you don't know about that event, you can Google it, you can research it. All paid. That's also included in the package. You're coming to Jamaica safe with Spice. So we're going to have security. We're going to have our own sections. We're going to have fun. Friday, we do Best Weekend in Ocho Rios. Then Saturday, we'll go to Duns River Falls because that's a great attraction in Jamaica. So we're going to go to Duns River Falls. We're going to have a bohemian breakfast before we go to Duns River Falls. A bohemian breakfast on the beach. We're going to have floating breakfast. Things that you've never really done before. I'm going to make sure that your trip to Jamaica is great. So make sure you go over to my website at spiceofficial.com and start booking your tickets from now. We have options where you can make down payments because that weekend is going to be a weekend to remember. Let me show you where I'm staying. Hold on. So, how you flip the camera? Ready? Most of the information is on my website at spiceofficial.com. When I go outside, it was saying poor connections. I didn't want to go any further, but it's very beautiful out there. It's $2,500 per person. So, obviously, you know that this is not no trip way. No regular degla thing and a regular degla thing. You have to be able to come to Jamaica and have fun. That's what it's about, investing in yourself, and you want to spend 3 nights with Spice and other celebrity guests. Yes, that's what it is. So everything is included. The events are also included. Everybody who knows what it is to go to Dream Weekend. Oh, did I say we're going to go to Dream Weekend as well? We're going to be going to Dream Weekend water party. So if you know Dream Weekend Dream Weekend, you know the vibe. So that is also included in the trip. Is the car here? No. Hear me, the car, the cat. Me now walk so far, I love the cat. Have to come. Yeah, I'm outside with my besties, by the way. Cutesy Dev. And I'm here with my niece as well. Nice, pretty Tonya, clean skin, pretty face. Yeah, that's my niece. It keep on, I say, poor connection. Yeah, back to what I was saying. So Extreme Wet and Wild, that is included. I will be taking you guys there. No, the flights are not included because this is a open trip. So you could be coming from anywhere in the world to be here. So you purchase your own flights. You will be picked up from the airport. Make sure you come into Montego Bay Airport, which is Sangster's International Airport. That's also in the information on my website. Let me pin the comment so you can, yes, it's $5,000 for 2 people because it's $2,500 each. But for each room, that would be a total of $5,000. So you got to get a bestie, which is why it's called Bestie Weekend. Okay? So you definitely purchase your own flights. The hotel accommodation is included. We pick you up from Sangster's International Airport. We take you back. Yes, it's US. We take you back to Sangster's International Airport. So everything is included except your flight, basically. We take you to all the excursions. We pay for you to go into the excursions. We pay for you to go to all the events. So you don't need anything. You just need your ticket. That's basically what it is. It's 3 nights that is already paid for. It's an all-inclusive hotel and everything is included. All you have to do is book your flights. Food is there 24/7 because it's an all-inclusive hotel. When I take you off property, I'm also responsible for that as well. So you have to get a bestie so you can come. Wanna call one card for me now, please? Yeah. So if you go over to my website, let me make sure I text it right here so you can see it. spiceofficial.com, or the link is in my bio, guys. If you go on my Instagram, just click on the link. spiceofficial.com. And all the information that you need is right there on the website. Now, let me say this. I won't be able to have accommodations for everyone. So this is very limited. And when I say limited, I'm talking about maybe like 50. I'm not doing a lot because it's my first trip. And it's really my birthday weekend. So everybody who knows Spice know that this is my real birthday. I'm going to take my birthday very serious. And for the things that we're going to be doing, I don't want to be, moving around with too much people. So it's very limited. You have to book your spot some early, and it's first come, first serve. I don't know what else, but I feel like I told you everything. We're going to have security. We're going to have private photographer. We're going to have celebrity guests. We're going to go out each night. We're going to Best Weekend in Ocherios. We're going to Dream Weekend in the Grill. All of this is included. It's paid for. It's an all-inclusive hotel. You don't have to worry about food. All you have to do is book your tickets and come, and I'll take care of you for 3 days. That's all. So it's a birthday weekend. It's my birthday. Make sure y'all come out to Jamaica, spend that 3 days with me. It's going to be a good vibe. Not everybody will be able to come. Yes, I know it's on 1,500. Not trying to break the 3 days with me. Yes, that's correct. Them take long. Yeah. Wagwan. The Wi-Fi got in pool. The big one. Yeah. So we're rich today. included. It's not 5,000. I love my hair too. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. The braids are beautiful. They're a bit messy because I was swimming, but I love it too. Bestie big. Go back in the lab. Oh, so the pool there on different side. Somebody said I'm from Kenya. I'll be there. Yeah, the internet sucks for real. Maybe let me get more Wi-Fi. Alright, thank you. Where Richie there? Yeah, I've call him for me. I'm good, how are you? Really? You're there to sing Rampage Shop? How are you? Up here, rum my love. No alcohol, no virgin. Good morning. Oh, sorry, good afternoon. I'm just waking up. It's my morning. You're just waking up? We could just go by the pool. May I go downstairs? Have you seen Richie from morning? Richie Feelings, no? No. Richie Feelings, where are you? Somebody on the live call Richie for me, no? Me know which part to find him, you know. Richie down at the restaurant. Yes. What? Yeah. You go away? Me I go away now too. Big up yourself, yes man. Yeah. What, mama? Oh. Big up, you know the thing go. Alright, mad love, you know. Love alone. Always, yes, that is it. Cool, yeah. Me know say Richie down at the restaurant. I down there, me I go find him. May I tell you say down them there? Me not ask no question. No, a short man, I didn't want to come yesterday, I never come. I don't understand. Hey, what go on? Wanna sit down and watch me? You sit down and watch me for the life. I'm gonna have the Wi-Fi. Somebody says, Spice, love you from India. Yeah. Come all the way from India and come to Jamaica to spend bestie weekend with me. 3 nights in Jamaica. 2025. Go on my website at Spice Official and book your reservation from early. There's a down payment plan. You can pay little by little, 500 at a time, or you know. Yeah. We're going to have a great day. So make sure you all plan for this 2025. It's going to be good. We're not going to eat too? Where? Hi, what one? Big up yourself. You teach them patois? Okay. Yes, so them turn up on your tour. It's too ram, man. Yes, thanks. I'm glad you enjoy yourself. Sharp man, why you never come last night? Sharp man, I was looking for you last. Sharp man, where were you? Come with me. In Sharp man, you missed the show. Me on stage just said, where Sharp man there? Me had a car. Where you go? You figure if you tell me? Why you never tell me when you see me I eat yesterday? Sharp man, you shy? Sharp man, oh you move so like you're shy. In Sharp man?
I live for.
Where you live?
Maryland.
So you go home last night?
Yeah, but it's hard to get drive to go there.
So what make you never stay and come with me?
Because first me I get three enticing at this. Like we don't have artists.
Eh?
Yeah.
But you're not nervous, short man. You don't mash up a place if you did come out.
Yeah.
Everybody that look out to see you. Come and tell them say I'm here you go up on the stage.
Oh,
So what next time then?
yeah.
So me have a next show. See who you mash up the show.
I want to apologize. I hope I didn't hurt you. It for me too.
Oh.
Yeah, I represented as best as I could from a call.
Yes, I just tell him why I'm never come. It was
I
great.
was telling him too.
Yeah, man.
Awesome.
Yeah, man. You make a star feel proud. Like you said, the show. Some stuff by the pool.
Okay, awesome.
I'll be leaving shortly though, because I have an event tonight.
Lovely. All right,
Yeah.
can I get a photo of you on my phone?
Oh, you want a photo? Yeah, let's do it.
Wrong way.
Yeah.
You know the running.
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Liam.
Liam. Let me make it. Yeah, keep it. Happy birthday to you, Liam. Big up yourself, Queen.